Good afternoon, traders. Good morning, good evening, good night, good day, good everything. How are we, guys? I hope you're having a good trading day. It's a bit bloody quiet, to be honest with you. Not a lot setting up today, especially my trade ideas, guys. They've sort of left the building. But yeah, there's a couple of other things we could take a look at. And also, guys, we will answer as many of your questions as we can as well, guys. So yeah, don't be shy. First of all, come say hello. Say hello, Tom. How are you? What a wonderful haircut you've had yesterday, in fact. I just didn't get enough comments about it. And also say, Tom, how is your new mouse that you've bought? Yeah, I'm so happy with my new mouse because I was about to have a meltdown on YouTube if my mouse carried on. So there you go, guys. Happy trader, but not a lot of no setup so far today, guys. All right, but yeah, like I say, let's answer as many of your questions as we can. But first of all, come say hello, Othman. Hello, nice cut and cute mouse. Thank you, Othman. You have made my day. Nobody prompted you to say that. You just come on and said that. Thank you very much. I hope you're all... Connor, the giraffe shaver. Hello, Tom. How are you? Not sure about the cut? Connor, how dare you? I can give you some of my giraffe shavings for your new haircut. Yeah, I could just, put on some giraffe hair on the side, perhaps. Yeah, I'm sure that'll look very good. So yeah, hello guys, how are you? And yeah, guys, really ask away for the next 40 minutes. Your questions are my fuel, especially today when there's not a lot setting up, guys. Yeah, so we can look at a few different things, and it doesn't have to be about a currency pair. It can be about psychology, money management, strategy, trade entries, stop losses, targets, indicators. Well, it can be about. I've used a lot of indicators in my time, but use none now. You can talk about fundamentals, and I will tell you that they are all noise. But we can talk about anything you like, guys. All right. G'day, Greg. How are you, mate? Hope everyone is well. Let me just check. Yeah, okay. So what we're going to start with is just the trades that I looked at in my morning analysis vid to start with, guys. Yeah, so, we just can't get in on them. Well, we have thus far. Yeah, we haven't been able to get in on them. So Euro, Swiss franc, this was, look at that new mouse action. My God, that's wonderful. Yeah, we just haven't been able to get in on this, guys. Yeah, it broke these lows. It's a lovely setup. And you know what I love about this? It is a fresh break. Yeah, we've been like day trend is in an uptrend. It's going nowhere. This smells of a breakdown in structure, and then sure enough, we get a fresh break of structure below the moving average 20. The moving average 20 comes round. I love these fresh breaks, but yeah, we've had no retrace, guys. Yeah, if we look at the H4, I can't trade that. Yeah, if you've got any ideas on how to trade that, please share. But I cannot trade that because that at no point does that offer value. Even the first break, even this, this break, this offers value. You're thinking, okay, I could get in here. All right, potentially put your stop up here, but you've got lots of room to move into. But after that, guys, no value here. Where'd you put your stop? Up here, above here, here, no value, definitely no value. So it's just difficult to get in, guys. I need a market like this. And most of the time, the market is like this. Yeah, retrace value, retrace value, retrace value. All right, so Euro, Swiss franc just haven't been able to get in on. And it's the same with Euro pound, that just come down and hit target. So yeah, day chart, we'd broken these lows, even this low, price was in this uptrend, it broke down, bearish candles, and we just wanted to come lower. And when you have a good target, okay, because look at this reaction. Yeah, so my targets are support and resistance levels. Yeah, yours should be the same, and you know it's a good target, aka a support and resistance level, when you get a reaction like that. Yeah, you know it's good support. So yeah, but again, H4, you know, just cannot get in on that. It come down. Yeah, trade over, hit target, not interested in this anymore. So there you go, guys. That sums up my day. Thanks a lot. See you next week. No, I'm only joking, guys. But yeah, that, you know, not a lot going on. So let's answer as many of your questions as we can. Right, let's see who else. Calagero, the Luxembourgish man. Hope you're happy with your new mouse. I am. Thank you for bringing that up. Very happy with it. Louis Esterhuizen. Who was the golfer? Who was the South African golfer? Was it Louis Oosthuizen? I know. Excellent pronunciation. Hello, Tom. High flyer, new haircut, and mouse. I know, Louis. Yeah, there's no... yeah, there you go. Matthew Skelton, morning. CJ, how are you, CJ? VIP member. Colin, sup, guys? How are you, Colin? How are you, mate? Matthew, Euro Swiss franc reacted nicely off the weekly level. Yes, it did. And we wanted to short Euro Swiss franc. But as I just explained, guys, just cannot get in on that trade as yet. The yields are down and bonds are up. So a weak dollar and gold appreciation. There's a lovely trend line potential buy for gold on H1. We'll have a look at that as well, Connor, but I don't like buying gold because we're at a resistance level. Marina, good afternoon, Tom. Here in South Africa, it's New York session time now. It's 2 o'clock. Okay, hello, Marina. Brett, hello, Brett. How are you, mate? Nor, VIP, Brett, VIP, Nor. Daniel, Louis Oosthuizen. Thank you, Daniel. That was the golfer. 3 points for Daniel. Let's do a quiz. There's not a lot happening on the charts. Tom, I'm looking at pound US, euro US to go short. Seems it's trending down. What do you think? Nicholas, hi, Tom. What is your average pip count, stop loss, take profit? Nicholas, I do not have an average. I let the chart tell me what to do. Yeah. The chart will tell me if I have a 20 pip profit or if I have a 120 pip profit. Yeah. I just let support and resistance tell me that. Okay, Matthew Skelton's in the VIP as well. Welcome, Matthew, to the VIP. So let's take a look. Who was first? So Euro Canadian dollar. Let's take a look at Euro CAD. Yeah, this is, like I said, guys, I said this end of last week. Yeah, not to blow my own trumpet, but I was saying we're going to start seeing some Canadian strength in the market. Yeah, and that is on the back of oil. So let's take a quick, okay, oil's coming down. No, but, you know, if we look at the bigger picture, guys, that's on the back of oil. Yeah, ever since we've come off this level, you know, we're starting to see higher lows. Okay, is this the start of a oil uptrend? Okay, we had the OPEC meeting today as well. But you can clearly see oil is gathering strength, and that means Canadian dollar gathers strength. So if we look at Euro Canadian dollar, which is in a daily uptrend, but today's candle will be interesting. Okay, so let's start with the weekly chart, because I know this is bouncing off of a weekly resistance level. And if anything, I want to sell Euro Canadian dollar. All right, because firstly, we're very overbought. Okay, if I bought up the RSI indicator up here is very overbought. Okay, and we've had a nice bearish reaction. Okay, sellers, we've had a week of sellers there last week at these last highs. So we're seeing sellers, but please remember, guys, we're still in an uptrend, and it's the same for the daily. All right, so we are in an uptrend. Oh my God, this mouse is beautiful. Yeah, we're in an uptrend, and then we just had this sideways crappy action. All right, but we are in an uptrend. Okay, however, there is the moving average 20 to consider here. But if I get a box of crap, that's what the technical name for that is, a box of crap. Sorry, guys, laughing at my own jokes again. But if I get a box of consolidation like this, yeah, and then we get a break, yeah, let's say this daily candle finishes like this, I would like to short euro Canadian dollar. Yeah, I would. Yeah, and this is arguably, a change in structure. We now have lower lows if the candle stays like this. Obviously, we need to wait for the candle to finish. But not only would trend change, but like I said, I like a box of indecision on any time frame. If you get one of these boxes that price just does this, yeah, and you get a little box and it breaks one way or the other, go with it. Yeah, you'll get some pips. Okay, because price has to go somewhere. And if it consolidates, it's the same with any chart pattern. Yeah, a descending triangle, it has to eventually, it has to go somewhere. Price gets so squeezed. Buyers and sellers are squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. This is the idea of these patterns. And then bang, when it does go, it goes very quickly. Yeah, you're going to see a quick move. So that's the move you want to try and catch, guys. So if you get a break out of here, we can capture it. If it breaks down, we can capture that move. So this is what we're seeing here on EuroCAD. Yeah. And if this, a box of consolidation. And if we get this candle, I would be interested in selling EuroCAD. The only problem is this moving average 20. It's literally touching it. And as you know, guys, I place a bit of emphasis on this as dynamic support or resistance. So that's the only dilemma here. But, if we were to sell this, I'd probably aim to take it back down to these last highs here. So this 4,800 level. Yeah, nice psychological level. Got a good 50 pips to move into, which is more than enough to make a nice profit for the day. Maybe we get a retrace and then we come lower. But that's what I want to see. But I do need to see a daily break of these lows. Let's take a look at the H4, because it'll be interesting to see if the H4 has broken these lows. And it has. Yeah, so the H4 has broke. So this will be interesting, guys, right? So the H4 has broken. Yeah, and some people might be thinking, right, let's sell it. Let's sell it. We've broken these lows. I hear you. Yeah, I'm not saying we can't, but this is really a daily level for me. So I would like to see a daily break. So I will wait for today's candle to form. I see a daily break of this level. Yeah, and then I will be looking for potential shorts tomorrow. Yeah, we get a retrace, and then potentially come lower. So yes, Euro Canadian dollar, I'm thinking potentially selling this. But it'll be interesting because Euro H4 has obviously broke. But if the day chart, it'll be interesting to see what this candle does. So everyone keep an eye out for this, yeah? Will it bounce off this moving average 20? My God, that's the worst wick I've ever done. And we get a wick like this, and a candle like this. Yeah. Then if that's the case, guys, then we haven't had a break of these lows because this wick has closed back inside. So it really depends on this daily candle. But I'm leaning towards sales because we're coming off a weekly level and potentially breaking this consolidation to the downside. So there you go, Louis Oosterhuizen. Right, what else are we looking at? Matthew Skelton, Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, okay. Sorry, Matthew. Yeah, we did look at this earlier, and we just haven't been able to catch that move. Euro Swiss franc. I mean, you just cannot catch that. Yeah, guys. Any ideas how you're getting on this trade? It's just I need here down or here down. I need value. Yeah, can't trade that for me. So gold. Okay, so Connor's on about potentially buying gold. Okay, so let's take a look at that. But This will be very quick because I just cannot buy a reaction at a weekly level. Yeah, this is a weekly level. Yeah, and you can see we had resistance in here before. You know, I'm going to say 100% we will see sellers at this level. Yeah, that is not in doubt. We will see sellers at this level, but will it be sellers that push the market down to here, or will it be sellers that push the market down to these last highs and it comes back up? You know, we don't know, but there will definitely be sellers in here. So I do not want to buy into an area where there are sellers. Yeah, I just don't. I cannot do that. Yeah, do not buy into resistance. Do not sell into support. If we look at the H4, I hear you, Connor. Yeah, this isn't potentially a really nice level here. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction, we start buying. But again, I cannot do that. I would be more inclined to wait for a break of these lows, retest, and then I'd come lower. That's how, if I had to trade gold, that's how I would trade it. If you said, Tom, you have to trade gold, otherwise we will lock you in a room with Noel Edmonds and you have to speak to him for hours. Can't stand Noel Edmonds. Then I would sell gold if this happened. All right. Anyone used to watch 15 to 1 with Noel Edmonds where they open the boxes and they're like, have you got a feeling on the box? You're like, no, of course I haven't. It's a box. Anyway, check it out. I haven't gone mental. It is a program. So yeah, simple as that, Connor, with that one, really. Right. What else are we looking at, guys? Guys, can I just ask, if you are enjoying my analysis and you enjoy my live streams, my analysis every day, then come subscribe to the channel. Yeah, subscribe right now, guys. We'd love to have you. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button as well, guys. Yeah, really appreciated. I'm going to have a quick drink of Evian, but it's really vodka. And also, guys, while we're at it, you will see on the screen above my head, you will see MyFlashFunding. So MyFlashFunding, guys, is a prop firm that we have decided to partner up with because they have a good, transparent product. Okay. They also have the lowest profit target in terms of 6%. Yeah. So very achievable profit target. They're very good with their payouts and with their support. Yeah. And they just seem, you know, a very reputable, good prop firm company to use, guys. All right. So check it out. And if you use, if on any of the challenges right now, if you use code SIMPLY on checkout, you will receive a discount on any challenge you like. So anywhere from 10,000 up to hundreds of thousands, you will get a discount using SIMPLY as the code when you check out, guys. All right. So check it out. Yeah. Take a look if you're interested in using a prop firm. Okay. Nor wanted to look at GU, EU. Let's just pick one of them. Let's pick pound because pound is my motherland. Let's pick pound, sterling. All right. I hear what you're saying, Nor. Just looking at H4, we've had a nice breakdown. Yeah. Okay. So we really have. And just on the H4, guys, look at this. Yeah. If we do not make a higher high, okay, which we don't, and we get a very bearish reaction, that is a very strong indication that we will get a structure break. Yeah. And we do. So, Nor, I hear you on the H4. That is a beautiful structure break, very bearish candle, below the moving average 20. If I traded only the H4, I would be all over this like a cheap suit. Okay? But let's get more information. So let's look at the weekly, okay? And potentially the weekly I like. If, let's say this weekly candle finishes like this, then, you know, we could also consider shorts, yeah? Because this level through here has proven to be oh, okay, take it back about my mouse. Has proven to be a good level in the past, yeah? And price is reacting there now, yeah? Interestingly, on the weekly chart, you know, this, if this candle finished like that, this grey zone hasn't broke. On the day chart, however, it's broke. Yeah, look at that. So that goes back to that idea of, when I was saying about the EuroCAD breaking out, the H4 had broken the lows, but we don't know about the daily yet. This is going up a couple of time frames. The daily has broken out of this grey zone for sure. You know, it's there in green and red. I was going to say black and white, but you see what I did there. It's broken, but that H1 candle may not break. This might come back in and we end up with a weekly candle, that looks like that, which would suggest selling, right? So yeah, that weekly candle would determine this, because really, yeah, there's nothing on the day chart to tell me to start selling this. We have had a doji. Yeah, if we get a doji, which is just indecision, yeah, but this doji does tell me that buyers are slowing down. Yeah, because you've got buyer, 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 and then you get a doji. Sellers have entered the market. Okay. And then if we get a bearish candle form today, and then we wake up tomorrow morning and we see a doji followed by a bearish candle, then okay, we could make an against daily trend trade, but it would be against daily trend. There's no getting away from that. And if we did, I just aim for these last lows in here. Yeah, this area here would be my target. Okay, so whatever that is. So this 2560. Let's go a little bit higher, 2570. So let's say we get that. We get doji, bearish daily candle. I would come back tomorrow, and all I would look for is a retrace back to this level. Yeah, let's say, we get another H4 candle, looks like this. We get a doji here, yeah, overnight, yeah, and then we come back tomorrow morning. We've got a bearish daily candle as a result. I'm just looking for price to retrace to here, get a bearish reaction, and then I'm selling. That is not rocket science. It's just knowing we're at a weekly resistance level, reading daily candles. Please know that you are against daily trend, but we have a H4 structure break, which is also pretty powerful. And I would just trade it if price retraced back to here. Yeah, if it retraced back to here. If it doesn't and it carries on, fine. I don't have a trade. I'll wait for a retrace later. So there you go, guys. Yeah, I hear what you're saying, but it would be against daily trend. Right, what else are we looking at? So Nicholas says, hi, Tom, what is your average pip count per stop loss take profit? So Nicholas, I have no control over that. Yeah, and you're probably thinking, Tom, you're trading, you should probably have some control. I have immense control over my strategy, my risk management, and my psychology and emotions. I control that like a control freak. Yeah, like serious problems, should go and seek some help, control freak over those things. Yeah, in life, I'm pretty carefree, but those things, control freak. But what I can't control are my targets and stop losses. And let me explain what I mean. Yeah, so let's stay on this. Let's say I enter pound US dollar, right? Let's say price retraces back to here and we get a bearish reaction. And in here, I start selling. Okay. So I'm selling at around 2680, right? I don't say to myself, right, I'm going to have a 20 pip stop loss, or I'm going to have a 50 pip stop loss. Yeah, I just let the market tell me what I must do. I never trade what I want. I trade what I see on the charts. And logically, my stop loss has to go above these highs. So my stop loss, I'll give it a bit of room. My stop loss would be up here. Yeah. And that's what dictates the trade. So my stop loss is 68 pips. I might have another trade, it's 32 pips. I might have another trade at 10 pips. Yeah, it depends on the setup. So, Nicholas, I get the question, but I have no control of that. I have control of my money management here, but where I put the stop loss, the market dictates. Yeah. And then when it comes to target, when I said on the day chart, I said I'm going to come down to this roughly here. So this 2570 level. So if I get in here, if I get in here, this is my entry, this is my stop loss, and this 2570 is about here. As long as I get a risk to reward of at least 1:1, then I'm good. This is probably about 1.2:1. Yeah, risking 1 to get about 1.3, I'm going to say. Yeah, but I don't control that. The market controls that. Yeah, and I really don't understand these traders who say, I just trade with a 20 pip stop loss. I'm like, do you? That sounds strange. You don't have control over that. The market tells you. So I hope that helps, Nicholas. Right. Okay, Brett, can we have a look at NAS? Dennis, say hello. I will. Let's take a look at that. Denny, how are you, Denny? Hope you're well. CJ, that moose is velvety smooth. Good words. Velvety smooth. Like my, don't know. Lovely purchase. Thank you. I'm very happy with it. Very rock and roll these days. Dances with Wolves. Guten Tag. I believe that is good morning in German. Is that correct? Anyway, I believe it is. I like GB CAD for sales, waiting for the news and looking for a safe entry. Yeah. So Euro CAD, Pound CAD, similar. Yeah, I like Canadian dollar strength, but we'll see if we get a setup. Offman, how are you? When do you take second positions when the hedging is in your favor and sometimes you don't? Offman, if you want to know about hedging, guys, and it's probably a good time to mention this as well. If you want a shed load of tutorials about hedging, then come join the VIP Discord channel. All right. So first of all, guys, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join that. There's loads of cool things in there. We've got traders sharing ideas, knowledge, indicators, books, links, loads of cool things, guys. All right. So come join the free Discord. And then we also have the VIP Discord, guys. And within the VIP Discord, we have created a trading academy. Okay. So this trading academy is basically me spilling my brain out into loads of tutorials. Yeah. And many of which are about hedging. But we got hedging, strategy, trade entries, managing trades, psychology, stop losses. We've got ones on pivots. We've got so many cool things in there, guys. So we have that in the VIP room. I also give you my trade ideas as and when I enter in the VIP room. You get exclusive content in terms of these tutorials every week. And we have access to a performance coach as well, guys. All right. So come join the VIP Discord. Loads of information on hedging plus much more. And yeah, the links are in the live chat and the video description. While I'm at it, guys, we also do one-on-one coaching. So if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And also, guys, if you watch the live stream and my analysis vids every day, then you can show your support, guys. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. And we've got supporter and gold membership. And also in the gold membership, guys, we have hedging videos as well. Okay, so you can see them in there. All right, but all of these things, all the information's in the live chat and in the video description. Check it all out. Right. Okay, let's have a look at Naz. I always think of Naz the rapper. My God, I love Naz. He's a brilliant rapper. Right, Naz 100. It's all about this weekly level. And that is holding for me. Okay. So how is that holding? You're probably thinking. So we can probably raise that gray zone. Okay. Because we want to include this wick here. And it never broke this wick over here. Yeah. This wick closed back below this wick. This wick, yeah, just about. This wick has closed back below this wick. This wick, we don't know yet, but it looks like it's following suit. And all of these wicks thus far, love that word, thus far, is telling me, you know, sellers are interested, sellers are interested, sellers are interested. We have not had a clean break, yeah, of these highs. Far from it. So if anything, this is telling me, you know, that price is, you know, potentially doing this. Okay, but, you know, let's get more information. Let's have a look at the day chart. What's that telling us? Okay, so this is another area of consolidation. All right, and this is how you should trade it. Okay, let's look at this on the H4. Let's not. Let's look at it on the daily. Yeah, that is just a box of I don't know what to do with myself. I just don't know what to do with myself. Is that even a song? I think I'm making one up. Anyway, stop singing. The editor said, Tom, if you sing again, I don't know what he said, but he said, don't sing. Anyway, box of consolidation. Yeah. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. The market does not know what to do with itself. There is no winner here. Buyers are not winning, sellers are not winning. All right. And please bear in mind, these happen a lot when daily is in an uptrend and we're at a weekly resistance level. You know, I talk about these all the time, guys. Once you get that weekly sellers, daily buyers, you just get this. Yeah, because they're as powerful as each other. Yeah, this is like Hulk Hogan and the Ultimate Warrior in their heyday. You know, no one's backing down. But like Hulk and the Ultimate Warrior, we need a winner. You know, they can't go on forever. Yeah, one of them's going to get beat. So all I want to see, guys, is either buyers win, it's the Hulk, or sellers win, that's the Ultimate Warrior. And when that happens, we can trade it. This isn't a daily uptrend, but if we see a breakdown from here, remember this is a weekly zone, I would potentially take sells on the NAS. And if it broke to the to the upside, therefore we've broken a weekly resistance level and we're carrying on with day trend, I would be happy to buy it. But let somebody win. Do not trade that crap. That is just crap. Don't trade it. Wait for a winner. All right, so there you go. That is the NAS. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, so this is Dances with Wolves, new mouse, new haircut, new Tommy, you are gold. Exactly. I'm feeling good, guys. I've got a new haircut, new mouse. These are the things that excite me these days. I've never been so excited about a new mouse. It really is quite worrying. Right, what else? CJ, Tom, I got to ask, this is very important. So for all you traders out there, you know, this is probably one of the biggest trading questions there is. When do you put the Christmas tree up? 10th. You know, I normally go at least a week into December. And then I think, okay, come on, let's not be so bar humbug. Let's put it up. But the drinking of beer, that starts on the 1st of December. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? Okay, so we've got a member. So like I say, guys, if you are a member, your name will appear in green. And I will, take your questions first. And also VIP members, all right? So Nongu Bondi, I hope I've pronounced that right. If I haven't, I apologize. Please check oil. Okay, let's take a look at oil. Oil for me, guys, is a buy. Yeah. Okay, let me rephrase that. If certain things happen, but oil is a buy. It just has been for a while. Yeah. This weekly chart tells me that we are at a weekly support level. And we are seeing wicks. Look at these wicks. Wick, wick, wick. Very bullish candle thus far. Let me have a quick drink of water, guys. I'm starting to sound like Barry White. So, yeah, so I have to be with daily trend. There's a few rules I abide by, and you have to abide by rules when you trade. You have to. But, when I see these wicks on the weekly chart at an area of support, buy it. Yeah, buy it. You're going to get a bit of a reaction. Yeah, if it comes up to here, you've still made nice pips. If it comes up to here, you've made nice pips. And you could. But why can't I trade that? Because the day chart, I've got to have rules. If I don't have rules, I'm doomed. Yeah, as is every trader. And this is in a downtrend. It is. But we're starting to see higher lows. All right. And potentially we could be breaking this last high. It'd be interesting to see what this candle does. So far, this wick is trying to close back inside, because please bear in mind we have this level as well. So really, for me to start looking for buys on oil, I would probably need a break of that level. Well, not probably, I would. We could be aggressive with it. Yeah, you could wait for a little retrace. We're seeing higher lows and we enter in here somewhere. Okay, or we get a break, retest, and then we enter. Those would be the two ways I would be looking to buy oil. All right, so it really depends. It's at a very interesting level right now. Okay, but those are the two ways I would look to trade it. Okay, Connor, next month I'll be trading live. Thanks, Tom. I'll try that prop firm. Also, I like Darwin X. Yeah, so guys, we as part of our channel, we try to offer value to our traders, and we try to get you discounts on stuff, and we try to partner up with companies that we believe in, and we believe that they offer you value. We get inundated with, can you promote this? Can you promote that? But with MyFlashFunding and Darwin X, we believe that they offer you value. Okay, so interesting enough as well, guys. So yeah, like I say, MyFlashFunding, if you use code SIMPLY at checkout, you will get a discount on any challenge you want to do. And also, guys, very soon we are going to do a webinar with Darwin X. All right. The editor, I'm sure we'll put the link somewhere. But I'm going to chat to the CEO of Darwin X about their offering, and yeah, it'll be really interesting, and it'll also be your opportunity to ask some questions, guys. All right. So, editor, put the link in. Brett, yes, it is. Yeah, deal or no deal with Noel Edmonds. My God, I just can't stand Noel Edmonds. I don't know what it is about him. Okay. What else? What other questions have we got here? CJ, we've already done Euro Swiss franc, my friend. We just can't get in on it. It's just shot down. Okay. Paris, have we discussed? Yeah, we've looked at gold, Paras as well. Okay. All right. What haven't we discussed? Okay. So, I get asked this a lot, guys. All right. So, MD Asif is how much time does it take to become a profitable trader? And that is like saying how long is a piece of string. It all depends on you, how quickly you take to trading, yeah, and how quickly you can understand price action and structure and support and resistance and how the markets move. And how quickly you take that on board is also directly related to how much time you can spend at the screen. Most of you, if not all of you, have full-time jobs, and you're doing a full-time job, which, takes up most of your time, and you're trying to learn trading. It's not easy. I was there, and it's, it's hard. It's hard, to give it the amount of time it needs. And, I should probably apologize to every employer that has ever employed me. I had my goal in sight and that's what I wanted to do. But it depends on you. Yeah. How much screen time you can have, how quickly you take to, understanding price action and how the charts move. I would use a mentor, someone who can teach you. I'm not saying come, for my, come do my mentorship program. No, but at least come and check my tutorials out, on the VIP Discord. Yeah, you can do the mentorship program, but, get someone who does understand those things and can teach you. Yeah, I mean, I taught myself, so you can also teach yourself. But yeah, it's all about the amount of time you put into it. Yeah, you could do it in a year. It could take you 5 years. It might, you might be a genius. It might take you 3 months. Yeah, so it's different for everyone. And on that note, guys, if I could just ask everyone, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel right now. And if everyone could please smash the like button as well, guys. And don't forget all the cool things we're doing. We've got MyFlashFunding offering discounts, as you can see above. Use code SIMPLY. We've got the free Discord, VIP Discord. We've got the mentorship program. We've got Simply Forex YouTube membership as well, guys. All right, check it all out. We're going to call it a day there, guys. Thank you very much for your time once again. Thank you for all of your questions. We really appreciate it.